Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our dining, outdoor, and bathroom linen services and find it useful.
Imagine the most luxurious dining experience, the finest outdoor settings, and the most serene bathroom retreat. At Sudsies Dry Cleaners, we ensure that the linens that create these moments remain as pristine as the day you first used them. Our dining linen service preserves the elegance of your table settings, treating each cloth and napkin with meticulous care. For outdoor linens, we protect against the elements, maintaining their vibrancy and durability. In your bathrooms, our service ensures that every towel and mat is as plush and inviting as ever. With our white glove treatment, Sudsies keeps your linens not just clean but preserved for a lifetime of luxurious use. The process. Sudsies' process for yacht and maritime vessel services follows a methodical and meticulous approach, similar to their restoration services, ensuring that every piece of marine fabric and onboard textile is handled with the highest level of care. Here's a breakdown of the process. 1. Fabric reception. The process begins when the marine fabrics, garments, uniforms, or table linens are either picked up by one of Sudsies' garment care valets or brought directly to one of their boutiques. The pickup service is highly convenient, allowing yacht owners or their staff to schedule collection directly from the dock, marina, or another preferred location.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.